For centuries, Saturn's rings defined our imagination of the cosmos. But now, they're slipping away. Not in some distant future today. This is the story of a vanishing act written in the laws of physics, a celestial dance that unfolds only once in a generation, and what it teaches us about our place in the universe. From March to November 2025, Saturn will perform a magic trick. Its rings will disappear not once, but twice. To understand why, we must journey through space, time, and the history of human curiosity. Our fascination with Saturn spans millennia. Ancient civilizations saw it as a wandering star. Galileo mistook its rings for ears. Today we send robots to dance through its icy halos. But even now, Saturn holds secrets. Secrets that this celestial alignment is poised to reveal. The illusion. Fact 1. This disappearance is an illusion, but one that reveals profound truths. Saturn, like Earth, is tilted. Every 13 to 15 years, our planets align so that we peer directly at the razor's edge of its rings. From 1.2 billion miles away, those 175,000-mile-wide rings collapse into a line thinner than a blade of grass seen from a mile distant. It's geometry, not magic, but the implications are staggering. When Galileo first saw Saturn's ears in 1610, he couldn't explain their disappearance decades later. Today we know, this event is a cosmic yardstick, letting us measure secrets no telescope could otherwise see. Imagine two giant hula hoops in space, Earth's orbit and Saturn's ring plane. Twice in Saturn's year, about 29.5 Earth years, these cosmic hoops intersect. That's when the magic happens. A rarity in human time. Fact 2. Most humans witness this event just twice in their lives. The last was 2009, before that 1995. Each crossing is a time capsule, a chance to compare how Saturn, and our understanding of it, has changed. In 95, Hubble showed us rings like a pencil line. Now James Webb reveals their chemical fingerprints in infrared, proving they're 95% water ice, with traces of organic molecules. But the biggest surprise? Their age. Cassini's suicide dive into Saturn in 2017 confirmed it. These rings are younger than T-Rex. They formed barely 100 million years ago, a blink in cosmic time, which raises a question. If they're so young, why are they already fading? These observations allow us to project the rings' past and future. We're not just seeing Saturn as it is, but as it was, and as it will be. It's a window into cosmic evolution. The fragile architecture. Fact 3. Saturn's rings are both vast and fragile. Though wider than Earth's equator, they're thinner than a skyscraper is tall. And they're not solid, but a chaotic sea of icebergs, some as small as sand, others as large as houses. NASA's Cassini made a chilling discovery. The rings are evaporating. Electrically charged ice, dragged by Saturn's magnetic field, falls as ring rain, enough to fill an Olympic pool every 30 minutes. At this rate, they'll vanish in 300 million years. We are living in Saturn's golden age. The rings aren't uniform. They're a complex system of gaps, waves, and structures. The Cassini division, a 3,000-mile gap between the A and B rings, is itself a microcosm of gravitational interactions. Each particle is a tiny moon, orbiting Saturn according to Kepler's laws. Inner particles complete an orbit in just 5 hours, while outer ones take nearly 14. This differential rotation creates a cosmic ballet of ice and dust. The origin mystery. Fact 4. No one knows exactly how the rings formed. The leading theory? A moon ventured too close, crossing the Roche limit, the point where a planet's gravity overcomes a moon's self-attraction. What followed was a celestial shredding. Other gas giants have rings, but none rival Saturn's. Why? Perhaps because Saturn's victim was larger, or its gravity more relentless. Or maybe the rings are cosmic leftovers, frozen in place by Saturn's retinue of shepherd moons. But there are other possibilities. Maybe a comet was captured and pulverized, or two moons collided catastrophically. Each theory has its champions, and each ring plane crossing gives us new data to test these ideas. Our understanding has evolved dramatically. From Galileo's ears to Huygens' solid ring, to Maxwell's mathematical proof of their particulate nature, each generation refines the picture. What will the 2025 crossing reveal? The human connection. Fact 5. These rings are woven into human culture. To the Romans, Saturn was the god of time, fitting for a phenomenon that measures cosmic epochs. To Arthur C. Clarke, they were humanity's future foothold in the outer solar system. When Cassini photographed Earth through the rings in 2013, it captured our humility. We are spectators to this grandeur, but also witnesses to its impermanence. In pop culture, Saturn is shorthand for the exotic, the mysterious. Its rings are instantly recognizable, a cosmic logo for the wonders of space. But Saturn isn't just for scientists and artists. Amateur astronomers worldwide have formed a community around observing and photographing these rings. The 2025 crossing is their Olympics, a chance to push their skills to the limit. A fleeting cosmic wonder. By November, the rings will vanish one last time this year. They'll return to full glory by 2032, but each crossing reminds us the universe is dynamic. Saturn's rings are not eternal, neither are we, and that makes every moment we share with them precious. Look up tonight. Saturn is there, its rings nearly invisible, but its lessons crystal clear. In a universe of constant change, we are privileged to bear witness. As we watch Saturn's rings perform their vanishing act, we're part of a global community of observers. From professional astronomers to backyard stargazers, we're all explorers on this cosmic journey. The next ring plane crossing, November 2025. The next full ring display, 2032. The universe unfolds in cycles far grander than our brief lives. But in moments like these, when a distant world aligns just so, we glimpse the cosmic dance that connects us all. Keep watching the skies. Saturn's next surprise is just around the corner.